Imagine this, you're driving down an endless highway, golden sunlight pouring through the windshield, no traffic, no noise, just you and the open road. And then it hits you, you don't have to rush anymore. No hotel bookings, no check-in deadlines, no stress. Because everything you need is already with you. You pull over, step inside, and just like that, you're home. A soft bed waiting, a kitchen ready, your own private space no matter where you are. This isn't just travel, this is freedom. And this is exactly what the Jayco Greyhawk 31FS promises. But here's the real question, is it actually that good, or is it just another overhyped motorhome? Because today, we're putting it to the test. And by the end of this video, you might seriously rethink how you travel. Let's start with the exterior. At first glance, the Greyhawk 31FS looks bold, clean, and confident. But this isn't just about looks. It's built on a Ford E450 chassis, and that tells you everything. This thing is made for real travel. Long highways, heavy loads, unpredictable roads, it's designed to handle all of it without breaking a sweat. The front feels solid, stable, reassuring. But the real magic starts on the side. A large power awning extends out smoothly, and instantly your outdoor space transforms. Picture this, you're parked near a lake, a cool breeze in the air, sunset right in front of you. You open the awning, set up a chair, and just sit there doing absolutely nothing, and somehow, that feels like everything. That's not a vacation, that's a lifestyle. Now let's talk storage, because this is where most RVs struggle, but not this one. Deep, practical compartments for chairs, gear, tools, luggage, everything fits without stress. And here's something most people don't expect, an exterior TV. Yes, you can literally sit outside under the stars, watching your favorite show. It sounds like a small feature, but it completely changes the experience. Now let's step inside, because this is where things get interesting. The moment you walk in, you feel it, space. Not just RV space, but real, open, breathable space. Thanks to the slide-outs, everything expands, and suddenly it doesn't feel like a motorhome anymore. It feels like a moving apartment. On one side, you've got a comfortable sofa, perfect after a long drive. Across from it, a large dinette. Meals, work, late-night conversations, morning coffee. This is where life actually happens. And right above the cab, there's a bunk area, perfect for kids, guests, or even extra storage when needed. This one feature alone makes it family ready, because this isn't built for solo travel, it's built for shared memories. Now the kitchen, and this is important, because this is where many RVs disappoint. But not here. You get a proper setup, a 3-burner stove, a microwave, a solid refrigerator. But the real win is the counter space. You can actually cook here, not just reheat food, but prepare real meals. And the storage is more than enough for long trips. Now imagine this, you wake up in the mountains, sunlight coming through the window, and you're making breakfast right there in your own moving home. That's not luxury, that's freedom on another level. Moving on to something people often ignore, the bathroom. In most RVs, it feels cramped and uncomfortable. But here, it's surprisingly spacious. A separate shower, smart layout, good lighting, you can actually move freely. It feels less like an RV bathroom and more like something you'd find in a small apartment. And on long trips, that matters a lot more than you think. Now the bedroom, because at the end of the day, everything comes down to one thing, comfort. The rear bedroom delivers exactly that. A large bed, plenty of storage, enough room to move without feeling boxed in. And most importantly, privacy. You can close it off completely, so even if you're traveling with family or friends, you still have your own personal space. And that's what turns travel into a comfortable lifestyle. Now let's talk performance, because this isn't just a home, it's still a machine. Under the hood, you've got a powerful V8 engine, smooth acceleration, strong highway performance. It's not built for speed, it's built for confidence. You feel in control, stable, secure. And with modern driver assist features, driving something this big feels way easier than you'd expect. So what really makes the Greyhawk 31FS special? It comes down to 4 things. Space, it feels bigger than it should. Practicality, everything has a purpose. Comfort, it genuinely feels like home. And family-friendly design, built for real people, not just specs. Now let me ask you something. If you had this motorhome right now, where would you go first? The mountains? The beach? Or just drive without a destination? Tell me in the comments, I genuinely love to know. Now let's be honest, no RV is perfect. This one is big, so tight city driving can be tricky. And fuel economy, yeah, it's not cheap, but that's the trade-off. Because what you're getting in return is something much bigger, freedom. So here's the final verdict. The Jayco Greyhawk 31FS isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's for people who want more than just travel. People who want flexibility, comfort, and the ability to wake up somewhere new anytime they want. It turns every trip into something personal, something memorable, something unforgettable. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and tell me, would you actually live in a motorhome like this? And if you love this kind of content, make sure you subscribe, because your next dream vehicle might be just one video away.